Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Michael's e-learning class of Moral Science, class 5. So, today we are going to do one more chapter, chapter 3, My Sister, My Friend. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about how to be being yourself. Now, we will read the chapter. Richa and Aruna were two sisters, like all siblings. They got along well most of the times. However, sometimes they did fight, but they loved each other very much. So, as you know, Richa and Aruna were two sisters, like all siblings. Sibling means each of two or more children having one or both parents in common. In simple words, means brother and sisters. They spend most of their time together. Sometimes they argue, they fight, but also they love each other very much. Now we move on to next paragraph. Among the two, Richa did better in almost everything. She was good at studies, singing, dancing, and painting too. So, there are two sisters, Richa and Aruna. But Richa was better than Aruna in everything. Here, everything means she was good at studies, singing, dancing, and paintings. She participated in everything and she always won prize or medal in that. Now, next paragraph. One day, their classmate Divya came to their house. She was extremely jealous of Richa. She wanted to grab the first position in the next week's painting competition. She knew that with Richa in the competition, it was impossible for her to win. What should I do? She asked to herself. So one day, their classmate Divya came to their house. She was jealous of Richa because Richa was good at everything she does. Divya, her friend, wanted to win the first position in painting competition, which is going to be held in next week. So she already knew that Richa was there in competition. So she knew that if Richa is there in competition, she will never grab first position. So she asked to herself what she can do. Now next paragraph. Divya decided to use Aruna. She went and told Aruna, "Look at your sister. She does better than you in everything." At first, Aruna didn't pay attention, but when the same thing was repeated several times, she got really annoyed. So, Divya here decided to use Aruna for her own purpose. Divya told Aruna, "Look at your sister. She is good at everything she does." At first, Aruna didn't notice it, but Divya told these words several times and Aruna got angry by this. We move on to next paragraph. Aruna adored her sister but was not happy being compared to her. Divya knew this and she provoked her even more by saying, "Let's spoil Richa's painting so that she does not get the first prize." So here, Aruna loves her sister, but she was not happy when she was compared with her sister. It is human nature. No one likes to be compared with anyone. Everyone is unique in her or his own way. So Divya planned it because This tragedy will work, she thought. So she provoked Aruna. Provoked means simulate or give rise to in someone. In Hindi we call bhadkana ya uksana. So she provoked Aruna more and more by saying, "Let's spoil Divya's painting so that she does not get the first prize." Now, next paragraph. At first, Aruna got carried away. She was tempted to do as Divya wanted her to do. Then she thought of how Richa, a sister whom she adored, would feel when this happened. Richa had always helped her when she wanted. Being better than her wasn't her fault. At first, Aruna got carried. She thought whatever Divya was saying is correct. So, after some time, Aruna started thinking, how will Richa feel when she knew what happened to her painting and I have done that work? So, Richa will feel hurt. Richa had always helped Aruna when she wanted. So Aruna thought, if Richa is better than her, it's not the fault of Richa. So we move on to next paragraph. She immediately scolded Divya and said, "You are jealous of my sister. You are not our friend. I will never do such a thing to my sister." So after thinking a lot, Aruna scolded Divya and said, "You are not a good friend. You always jealous of Richa." So a good friend is never be jealous of his friend's success. But here you can see that Divya is always gets jealous of Richa's success. That's why Aruna scolded Divya. And Aruna also said that she is a very good sister. So she will never do such a thing to her sister. Next paragraph. Divya realized that she had been wrong about Aruna. She would never do anything to harm her sister. She was far too loyal. So here, Divya realized that whatever she was thinking about Aruna was wrong. She will never hurt or harm her sister. She was a very loyal person. So students, what we have learned from this story? What is the moral of this story? Being yourself. Never compare yourself with anyone because everyone is unique in their own ways. So always be unique and always be happy. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.